Hello students, I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel Aveti Learning, which only works for your academic enhancement. So let's start learning. Okay, tell me, how are you all? All good? Very good. Now let me know, is my voice audible to you all? Then please type yes in the comment box. Okay? Okay then. Okay, thank you so much for your response. Now let me tell you how can you join live. So it's very easy. You just have to subscribe our YouTube channel Aveti Learning and press the bell icon to get more notifications. So here are some rules for our live class. The first one is you just have to answer only the questions which is asked. Okay, and that should be in the comment box. And secondly, don't chat with each other. If you start chatting with each other, then you will face a problem while watching the videos. Then finally, this is a special request to all of you that you should have to make the note after watching the video again. Okay. So here is a special surprise for all of you, and that is Aveti Learning is providing free spoken English class and Aveti coding class. Okay, so by which you can develop your English speaking power. Okay, so after your matriculation in your higher studies, it will help you so much. So it's time for the registration, and here are the links for your registration. So the registration for coding class, and the link is https://bit.ly/aveti coding class, and the registration for spoken English class, and the link is https://bit.ly/aveti spoken English. Okay, so don't waste your time, quickly start your registration. So I am sharing a screen before you, and here you can see so many students are there who were joined in our previous spoken English class. So if you want to have your face in this screen, then what should you do? You just have to register, and in the Zoom application you can join and attend our class. So if you want to speak directly with our spoken English madam, then the first thing is you just have to register your name for spoken English class. Okay, which is absolutely free. Okay, so already thousands, more than thousands of students have already registered their name, and in our previous classes, 100 students are there who have joined. Okay, so in every Sunday, so many students are participating. So now it's your turn. So now let's don't waste our time. See, we are continuing with subject verb agreement, and in that topic we came to know that in an English sentence, verb must agree with its subject in number and person, and its form depends on whether the subject is singular or plural in number. It also depends on whether the subject is first, second or third person. Okay, ଯେମିତି ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ଆମେ ମୁଁ ଯାଏ, ତୁମେ ଯାଅ, ସେମାନେ ଯାଆନ୍ତି ଆମେ କହିଥାଉ, ଆମେ କହୁ କି ମୁଁ ଯାଆନ୍ତି, ସେମାନେ ଯାଏ, ए प्रकार आमे केबे कहूना कहीं ना से माने जेहेतु बहुवचन सेतिपाई से माने जाती जाउछंती ए प्रकार क्रियार व्यवहार करा जाई थाए ठीक सेमती इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज रे मध्य क्रिया सबु बेले कर्तार वचन तथा कर्ता केउ पुरुष अटे ता उपरे निर्भर करी व्यवहार करा जाई थाए ठीक अछि so now here some questions for you and you should have to identify the correct sentence okay there are two sentences one is we is going to school and B is we are going to school so which is the right answer so first you should have to understand who is the subject and what is the number of the subject and what is the person of this subject and after that you find the verb which agree with the subject okay so in this sentence the subject is we which is first person but plural number plural number carries plural verb okay so which is the plural verb among is and are which is the plural verb are is the plural verb so are agrees with we so this is the right answer all of you have given the right answer but you should have to follow the reason okay see we are going to school we means so many students are there here 3 students are there so here are agrees with we so we are going to school is the correct answer another question is there are two sentences one is they are playing in the park and the second one is they is playing in the park again the same thing identify the subject which is the subject write down in your comment box which is the subject here all right yes all of you have given the right answer you are the genius students of you are the genius Avatians you are the brilliant Avatians and Avatians are the winner the warrior okay see here the subject is they clear and it belongs to which person first person second person or third person write down this is third person okay and the number is plural so plural verb we'll agree with this okay so in which sentence you find the plural verb A or B of course A so they are playing in the park is the right answer in this picture you can see so many students are there so many children are there they are playing in the park okay so it is plural and are is the plural verb so students we are continuing with subject verb agreement and today we will discuss about the use of plural verb okay and the rule number 1 is two singular or plural subjects joined by and make the total subject plural which takes a plural verb. ହେଲା तो दुईटी सिंगुलर किंबा प्लूराल सब्जेक्ट दुईटी एकवचन किंबा बहुवचन युक्त कर्ता जदि एंड द्वारा युक्त होई थांती ताले सब्जेक्ट गुडी को प्लूराल होई थांती एवं सेमाने प्लूराल वर्ब सहित एग्री होंती बा प्लूराल वर्ब प्लूराल सब्जेक्ट सहित एग्री होई थाए. फॉर एग्जांपल Ananya and her brother have come. Okay, so Ananya is single, her brother is single, so they are different singular subject and joined by and. So here the verb have, which is plural, is used. Okay, then rule number 2. Some nouns like police, people, poultry, cattle, etc. usually take plural verbs. Okay, so police, people, poultry, cattle एमिति जदि किछि शब्द थाए तेबे एगुडी को प्लूराल रे गणति हुअंती हैला तो एथरे सब बेले प्लूराल वर्ब ही एग्री होई थाए. फॉर एग्जांपल the cattle are grazing in the field. गोरु माने पड़ियारे चरुचंती. Then rule number 3. If no or some is followed by plural noun, it takes a plural verb. Okay, जदि कोनोसी वाक्य रे no किबा some परे कोनोसी प्लूराल सब्जेक्ट थाए बा प्लूराल नाउन थाए तेबे verb मध्ये plural होई थाए. For example, no children have done their homework. Okay, no children is plural, child is singular, children is plural, so no children, so here children is plural. For this have is also plural verb, so have is used. Clear? No children have done their homework. जेहेतु चाइल्ड रो बहुवचन होउची चिल्ड्रेन, जेहेतु नो पाखरे चिल्ड्रेन व्यवहार हेइची, जदि नो पाखरे चाइल्ड रो व्यवहार होई थांता तबे एटी हैव न हेकि सिंगुलर वर्ब हैज रो व्यवहार हेइ थांता. जेहेतु एटी चिल्ड्रेन प्लूराल अटे सेथि पई हैव मध्ये प्लूराल अटे, हैव रो व्यवहार एई वाक्य रे करा जाईची. Then rule number 4. Some nouns are made up of two similar parts in a pair, like scissors, trousers, spectacles means glasses, etc. These words are treated as plural subjects and they require plural verbs. तो जेमिति कि गोटिए वस्तुर दुईटी अंग थाए बा दुईटी पार्ट थाए बा दुईटी अंश थाए. उदाहरण स्वरूप कईची बा पाइजामा पैंट जो आम पिंधु ट्राउजर बा चषमा जो कि दुईटा ग्लास थाए. तो वस्तु होची गोटे किंतु दुईटी अंश तार अछि, तो सेई संपूर्ण वस्तुटी प्लूराल नाउन हिसाब रे व्यवहार करा जिवो एवं आहा सहित सब बेले प्लूराल वर्ब भी एग्री हेबो. फॉर एग्जांपल The scissors are old. कईचीटी पुराना हो जाइछि. तो एठी हमें देखि पारुछे कईचीर दुईटी अंश अछि. सो टोटल scissors is plural and it agrees with the plural verb. Then rule number 5. When an adjective is used as a noun representing a class, it takes plural verb. Okay, जेतेबेले कोनोसी विशेषण एक विशेष रूपे कोनोसी गोटे मास को बुझाए, कोनोसी एक श्रेणी को बुझाए बा कोनोसी एक समूह को बुझाए तेबे ता सहित प्लूराल वर्ब भी एग्री होई थाए. For example, the rich have a lot of responsibility towards the poor. Okay, so here rich is representing the class. the group. Rich means the group of rich, those who are rich. Okay, and here poor means the all the poor categories. Okay, so rich is used as a plural, so here have is also plural, so have agrees with the noun rich. Okay, যেহেতু ধনী ଧନୀ ଲୋକ ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ଏହା ଏକ ବିଶେଷଣ ଅଟେ। ତ ଧନୀ ଧନୀ ମାନେ ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ଧନୀ ମାନେ ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ଧନୀ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିମାନେ ଏହା ଏକ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ ସ୍ଥାନରେ ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହୋଇଥାଏ ତ ସେତେବେଳେ ଏହା ପ୍ଲୁରାଲ ଭର୍ବ ସହିତ ଏଗ୍ରି ହୋଇଥାଏ। So students, today is this much. The use of plural verb is over. I hope all of you have got an idea about the use of plural verb accordingly. Okay, so now it's time to give you some homework and let's see. So your homework is fill in the blanks with suitable verb choosing from the bracket. The doctor and the pharmacist dash present in the meeting, and the verb given in the bracket is was aware. Option A, the doctor and the pharmacist was present in the meeting. Option B, the doctor and the pharmacist were present in the meeting. Okay, so here are some links of your WhatsApp group from class 5 to class 10. So you should have to write down your homework and send it to your specific WhatsApp group. Okay, not only we are here to clarify your doubts, but also you are having a chance to compete with the number of students of Odisha. Okay, in your classroom you just have to compete with only 5 students, 10 students, maximum 50 students or 100 students, but here the students of Odisha are with you, so you just have to participate in every question answer segment. You should have to participate in our live classes, live quiz classes. Okay, and if you are having any queries, any kind of doubts, any kind of questions which is quite new for you or quite difficult for you, so without any hesitation you can ask through this WhatsApp link. Okay, so this is also our Aveti official WhatsApp number. You can contact us with this number, and the number is 7894040614. So the Aveti master teachers are here to clarify all of your doubts. Okay, so as you know, we are providing you free online classes and learning resources to ODI medium students during COVID-19 pandemic, which is an initiative by Aveti Learning. So students, today is this much. I hope you enjoy this class, and we will meet in our new quiz classes and with some new questions, with some new answer, with some new fun. Till then, keep learning, activate your learning, enhance your learning with the authentic learning, Aveti Learning. Thank you.